Hi, my friends. Let's hope you're all having a great day. So today on my desk, I have an Asus ExpertBook. This is actually the B1 version. This is a business class. Uh, I'm gonna do just a quick tear down of it today, but just to give you some quick specs of this machine. This one in particular is an Intel Core i7. It's a 1355U, 1.5 gigahertz. These can go up to 5 gigahertz, 10 core, 12 thread. Memory configuration on these can be from 8 or 16. This particular one is 16. There is an empty slot on it that allows for you to put it up to a max of 48 GB. Storage on this one is 512. It can go up much more than that. So you have a 512 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. This is fast and pretty much good storage. Graphics is integrated Intel UHD graphics on this. There are a variety of ports on this machine. You have one USB 2.0 Type A. You have one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C that supports uh, power delivery. That's for charging. And then there's another one that actually supports display and power delivery. Then you have your HDMI 1.4 port and your combo audio jack right over here. And on the other, oh, right here, importantly, which is what you get in a lot of these business machine, is a built-in Ethernet port, RJ45 jack. So that's great. For security features on this, you have enterprise grade security such as fingerprint sensor, which is integrated into the touchpad on this one. And then you have a webcam with the privacy shutter. There is 2P TPM 2.0 for data protection on this machine. This is pretty durable. It's supposed to be military grade standard casing. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. So all in all, this is a great machine, not only for business, but for home users. This comes in around now about 1,000 Canadian, about 700 US for this machine in this particular configuration. So this is mostly, as I said, this would be for businesses, but anyone can use this machine. If you want a solid machine, you want it to be reliable, secure, lots of ports, then this would be a good machine. So anyway, we are going to do a quick disassembly and see what's upgradable on this machine. So I've already gone ahead and removed the screws, and I'll show you these are just your standard Phillips screws. So they're all the same size, so that's a good thing. I'll just show you the orientation. At the front here, you have 3 towards the front, and in the middle, another 3, and towards the, well, if you look at it with it down, but if you flip up facing you, would be the front, there 4, 3 in the middle, and then 3 towards the back. And they're all the same size, okay? So once you take these out, you just need a small Phillips screw driver tip. Once you take that out, it's just a matter of finding parts on it that you can pry. And it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Once you start prying it, you may want to use something like a guitar type pick, like I'm gonna get here. And you're gonna go around and pop it up. And it comes out easily. We go around and then once you get it up there, you can start prying it apart. Okay, so let's see what we've got in there. Let's take this a little closer. So you got your big fan here and your cooling vents on this side, and then your CPU on this side. Number one that caught my eye, interestingly, is that yours got a empty slot. So you've got whatever you get at configuration, you get 16 on board. That's going to be on board. And then you can upgrade. You can drop another 32 in this for up to 48. So that's very nice. Again, next thing you can upgrade on this is your NVMe drive. This is a little weird. This is a little slanted. You notice that? I don't see this too often, but just to match the space, they slant it a bit. So it's not a problem. You could put a 1 terabyte in this machine. It's got your network adapter, and this is 6. This is wireless 6 on this one. And you got your battery. This is a 42 watt hour battery. So it's pretty good size battery on this one. And just to also, I didn't tell you about that, but it's a 65 watt AC adapter that powers this. So that's about it, pretty much. You can upgrade your RAM. You can upgrade your, of course, you can upgrade your SSD, and in the future you could upgrade your wireless adapter. But this is fine right now. You can upgrade and replace. You can replace your fan, and down here your speakers. You can replace your speakers and your battery. Pretty straightforward to replace your battery. You have got the disconnect it from here. Now this looks like one of those with the pin that you pop up. Let me see. Let me put it down a bit here. Yeah, it is. It is. So some of these have some pins. It's not a pin really. It's just a plastic guide that you raise up and then you pull forward. So you can't just pull it forward right away. You need to raise it up first. See there? I just don't want to take it out now, but I would raise it up. You can see the two black knobs that it actually pushed over, and then you would push this back. So you push this back here, this spin, and once you push this metal piece back, then you can flip it up. I don't know if I should take it out there. Yeah, so that side is up. So see, like that, that's up. So now both sides are up. So sometimes I see these on a few machines where they're not just the type that you just pull this way, but you press down. So you align them on two guides there. So when you're removing them, of course, you would do the opposite. And when you're putting them back on, what I notice, you actually need to use two hands, and you need to press down the clip here and then bring back the metal cover over this. So it's a little different, and you don't want to go try just pull it forward and you would break your clips. So that's something to note on these machines. I'll put that back later. So that's it. This is your Asus, your ExpertBook, and it's a nice machine. It's, to me, mostly for a business class type machine, but anyone can use it. If you're looking for a good, reliable machine, this would do you well for home office, for productivity type work. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Watch the next video also. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.